Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody is doing awesome and enjoying the sunshine that we are having right now. Today, we are going to be stuffing $580. It is currently June 19th. It is Juneteenth. Normally, I do mine on Saturday, but I do have a lot of stuff to get done this weekend, so I'm doing it a little bit early, besides the fact that I have a 3-day weekend. So the bank, normally I get my cash out on Fridays, but because the bank is closed on Juneteenth, that means the bank wouldn't be available for me to use, so I'm just doing it a day earlier so I don't have to skip my cash stuffing. So we're going to empty out our wallet first. See what we have to play with from my wallet. Looks like we have $4. Let's see what else we have. I'm sure I got some change in here. Oh, yeah. Wow, look at all those quarters this time. Nice. For those of you who are curious, my change jar is a little over halfway full now. So there's our wallet. So it looks like we got $4 here and a bunch of change to go in the change jar. We'll put that in later. So I'm going to set up my table tray here, and then I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what's going on. So the reason why I'm stuffing less this time around, 580 is a little bit short, because I just recently purchased my ticket to visit my family in Wisconsin. Yay! I reached the max limit for my vacation fund that I was saving for. My goal was $2,000. I had that in my ally, and I reached the $2,000 goal. So I was able to purchase my ticket, and that's all set up now. So I'm very happy that I was able to reach that savings goal. So we have a short stuffing in here, but we're also doing an unstuffing. We're doing an unstuffing of my Punch the Monkey mini savings challenge, but we're going to do that after we're done stuffing. You can kind of see my math here. It got a little crazy. Because I'm taking part of what I'm getting from the unstuffing and I'm already incorporating it into other places, because I have a gift that I want to give someone with that mini savings, and I'm going to talk to you more about it when we get to that part. All right, now for the stuffing. So for rent, we're going to go ahead and go over to bills. That's going to be $300, 1, 2, and 3. All right, groceries is $180. So we have 51, 20, 40, 60, 80. It's 180 for 2 weeks. I always stuff 2 weeks because my paycheck is 2 weeks. Gas. So gas, I'm not stuffing gas this time around. Gas was 120. The reason why I'm not stuffing it from here is because this one, I had leftovers in my vacation fund. So this is completely empty now because I purchased my ticket. So what I did was I used the rollover from the vacation fund after the purchase of the ticket, and I put that in for my gas money. So this clip will be reusable now. These placeholders will go back. And this mini savings challenge that I did with Savings with Grace, this will go into my ones that I have completed for the year. I have another one that I completed. I'm going to add this to the collection. I like to keep them just to see like how many I did in a year. And then it also reminds me what little like small businesses I support, and Savings with Grace is one of them that I support. So now this is all empty to be used for a future vacation. But we are stuffing dining out, so we're going to go to dining out. And dining out is going to get 100, which this should be it. 20, 40, 60, 80, and 1. Yeah. So this is my dining out money. Okay. So that is all the stuffing for this, but we're not done. We have to do the unstuffing. So putting it in there. So it still is, dining out is still $200, but part of the Punch the Monkey we're giving to dining out, and the other part we're giving to a special person. So in my town, there is a boy who is having a hard time getting clothes. His mother, sadly, is a little bit crazy. She is not providing clothes for him, and it's bad enough that his teacher had to buy him shoes. So it's a really sad situation. So I wanted to take some of the proceeds from this mini savings challenge, and I want to give it to said person. So I'm going to be, and I know I can reach out to his sister and give the money to his sister. So I have direct contact with the person. So I'm going to be using part of this for my stuffing, and the other part is going to go to the boy to get him some new clothes. So we are going to get to unstuff this now. Super cute little stuffing. And this is from Safety City Chick. If you like Punch the Monkey and you want a mini savings challenge, Safety City Chick has this on her site. So this was $60. So we're going to take that out. This was $25 and this was $12. So we're going to take that out. This one was $45 and this one was $40. Take that out. These are all empty now, and some of these are customizable. I want to do this again, but I want to make them higher amounts. Like maybe instead of 10s, I'll make these 20s or something like that. But I need to clean all the markings off. So by the next stuffing, I'm going to have this cleaned up, remake it, and then we'll start that one over again because it's cute enough to do it twice. I mean, come on. So we are going to count everything that we have here, and look at that. It's not completely organized, but I'm going to organize it here. So let's get it all organized. Let's do 10s, 5s, we got 50s, we've got 20s. I just want to make sure that everything in here is accurate. Wow, you don't realize how much it all adds up until it's all done. All right, we should have, if I remember correctly, it's like around $200, I think. It's like really close to $200, if I remember correctly, because I did count this the other day. All right. So here's what we have just from Punch the Monkey. So we have 50, 70, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 155, 160, 165, 170, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 180. 1, 2, 3. This is $183. So we are putting 100 to make up for the other 100 for my dining out. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that covers the rest of my dining out bill. Which means, oops. All right. Clean this up really quick. Hold on. All right. Which means we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. But I'm also going to add in the dollars that I took from my wallet as well. 84, 85, 86, 87. So this little boy is going to get $87 to help get him new clothes. So I will be donating that this week. All right, that is our cash stuffing for this week. It's short, sweet, to the point. We got everything stuffed. This is going to be a gift. This is going to go in my change jar. That's all I have for you for today. I am going to try and do my other savings challenges next time around, but because I just bought a plane ticket and traveling on planes is super expensive, there's no savings goals this time because I had to be really frugal in certain places. But anyway, next time around, we're going to be doing some more savings goals. Bye.